few years ago, if you remember, Syrian refugees का बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो गया था थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड. डिफरेंट कंट्रीज उनको स्पॉन्सर करके बुला रहे थे. और हाउ कुड कनाडा be left out? We were one of the first ones to sponsor so many thousands of refugees. They were very grateful, obviously, to Canadian government, and we were all happy that they were doing fantastic to support these people. The reason why peace services got involved in that was that there were certain expectations on from the families. और एक थोड़ा सा वहाँ पर 2-3 महीने के लिए गैप हो गया था where they needed some funds, some money for grocery. तो उसके बाद फिर लोगों ने जो है डोनेशन देना शुरू किए, फंड रेजिंग देना शुरू किया, और उसकी वजह से अब क्लोज टू 60 फैमिलीज को हमने जो है ग्रोसरी दिलाई. खुद पर्सनली हमारे साथी और मैं जाते थे इंडिविजुअली वो लोगों को, क्योंकि इंग्लिश का प्रॉब्लम भी था. तो हमने यहाँ पर जो अरबिक फूड क्या कहना चाहिए ग्रोसरी स्टोर्स हैं वहाँ पर पर्सनली फ़ोन करके उनसे बात की. खुशी की बात ये हुई कि जब ग्रोसरी वो लेकर आए तो उसमें अगर फर्ज करें कि मीट अगर उन्होंने ऑर्डर भी किया होगा ग्रोसरी के साथ, उसमें एक्स्ट्रा अपनी तरफ से ये जो ओनर थे उसके मीट मार्केट के, उन्होंने उसमें ऐड कर दिया. You won't believe it. Even today, this is several years ago that happened. Even today, we like these people have become our friends forever. They are grateful, and they are grateful to Canada to begin with, and to us. When they first arrived, they went through, just like any other immigrant goes through cultural shock, and they were in for a shock also. And then the resettlement that was added stress on them. So, but then whenever they had whatever problem, small or big, they were calling us because, you know, we became their elders, and as a result, we were educating them. We tried to solve their whatever issues, the cultural shock related issues, and English as second language issues. We introduced them to the SIN card. Where do they go? The government was doing that, but from time to time, government had their hands full, so they were calling us. As far as the refugee program, it was a great success, and as a result, a few months later, we decided to organize and hold a reception to honor them and to honor those who donated money for this cause. And several dignitaries were invited, including Deepika Damarla. She was the seniors minister at the time, and also Michael Paleshi, who was a regional councillor from Brampton. So they both were dignitaries, along with several other VIP guests from the community also, because if without their help, we couldn't have achieved what we wanted to do. Some of these people, they wanted to speak, and although he was hesitant, he learned English. I said, we'd love to have you on the stage and tell us, so how do you feel about it? And when he got to the podium, he nothing but the admiration and praise. And he had his own oil business, can you believe it? And he was a millionaire. But he lost everything, but this is why you could see that his attitude was very positive. He was obviously a little upset because he lost everything, but he appreciated the Canadian government and especially us. And like I said, this was a great success story. So I just wanted to mention that.